Hi, I'm John and I'm here at AO. And today we're going to look at how to keep your phone looking its best so when you finish with it you get the most amount at resale. Here's 5 quick tips. So let's start with the basics. You need a good case and a good screen protector. These two will stop any cracks, scratches, and it will keep your phone looking fresh. The next tip is to wipe down the screen with a microfiber cloth. That way it keeps it always clean. You also need to think about the port at the bottom. This always picks up dust from pockets and other areas. Use a lint-free cloth just to get in there and clean it out a little bit. Now, battery health matters a lot. It's important to try and keep the battery levels between 20% and 80%. Try not to let it go down to 0 too often. And as tempting as it is, try not to keep your battery charging overnight too often. I know it's nice to have 100% at the start of the day, but it can affect the battery's performance over time and create too much heat. And it's also worth not keeping your phone in extreme temperatures. Really hot environments like a hot car on a sunny day, or really cold environments can damage the battery life and affect the internal components. Cheap cables can really affect the battery of your phone over time. It's worth sticking with certified chargers just to keep your phone in good condition for longer. Now, it's important to keep your phone up to date. It ensures that you've got the latest security patch on there. It keeps the performance of your phone at its best, and it fixes some of those niggly bugs that you get occasionally. So even water-resistant phones aren't invincible. If you do get your phone wet, power it down and dry it thoroughly before you turn it back on. So if you stick to those 5 tips, not only will it keep your phone in good condition, when you come to sell it, you'll get the most money at resale too.